Good afternoon, everyone. It's your sponsor, Lucky Rico, and what that means is I am a VIP independent sponsor of Karatbars International, and what I do here pretty much every day is share information about what we do here at Karatbars International, and also we go over other information about the cryptocurrency market as well as the gold market and other markets that we find interesting. We're dissecting opportunities, and we are bringing that information to you so you can take advantage of these opportunities. And right now, we are very, very pro Karatbars here at the Gold Standard Group. We believe that we need to return to a gold standard. We understand the limitations of this money system that we're in currently right now. We know that anytime they want to go print up more money, they can do that, inject it into the economy. It's the reason we see the stock market right now at all-time highs. And we also see Bitcoin growing up real good right now. And we see gold has broken 1,600. Man, so there's a little bit I want to talk about today. Thank you once again for joining us. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the Gold Standard Group YouTube page, take this opportunity right now to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you find this content valuable to you. Now, like always, once we go over this information, if you have found value and you would like to be part of Karatbars International, I'm going to ask you if you want to register an account with us. So I'll let you know that up front before we get into the information we're about to hear next. Right now, the stock market, the S&P is down 9%. We see that the S&P had actually traded above the trend that we've been following in the recent 24 hours. And looks like we're finding some rejection here at the right around the 3,382 level. So that's the stock market, y'all. That's the S&P. And we'll see what's going to happen with that. But ironically enough, while the stock market is going up, we also see gold breaking 1,600 again. And we see what's happening with gold, folks. Gold decided to take a little jog around the track. And that's what's happened in the last 6 to 7 hours. We see this huge candle here, and this is on the hourly in gold, 24 karat gold bullion by the ounce right now trading at 1601. So what I'm looking at on this chart, we're not overbought right now on gold. The volume has declined, and the price looks like it just has found a new level at 1600. 1600 right now looks like it's providing some support. We'll see how long that lasts. Hopefully we can maintain the support at 1600, but we know our prior support is right around 1589, and I would say in between the 1585 and 15 well, I would say our prior support right here at 1580, right here at 1580. Then we have lower support there right around 1574. But right now it looks like 1600 is holding in gold bullion. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is once again also over 10,000 US dollars. Bitcoin is now back in bullish territory. I'm understanding that the 50 day is about to cross the 200-day moving average for that golden cross in Bitcoin. So, and it looks like it may have happened, and we'll see how that's further going to push Bitcoin. Maybe we continue rising, but if you look at this current trading channel we're in, Bitcoin has some room to run, and we believe that if it does continue to follow this trend here, then we could see somewhere in 10,900, maybe 11,000 range. If we make it all the way up to this prior level here, we're looking at around 11,000. So let's see what happens at 11,000. Now, if you're trading Bitcoin, then you got to understand that once it hits the top of this range, what it has been doing is coming down. We can see that over and over again, that once it hits the top of this trading range, it takes a trip down. So if you're trading Bitcoin, then you got your sell and your buy targets here, folks. If you follow me, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you how to trade. I can't tell you where to invest your money. Most of you know me as a Karatbars VIP, a DJ, and an entertainer. But I've taken the time to learn some things that are going to help me with my investing and to build my asset portfolio. We believe heavily in gold bullion. Now let's look at the total cryptocurrency market, because we were down, but it looks like total cryptocurrencies is moving up right now. Again, something is going on in the world, and I think we know what it is, because let's get off the charts for a moment and let's look at what I found over here on the coronavirus. Because if you are in tune with what's happening globally, the coronavirus is more serious than people once thought. Right now, they got a 73,451 total confirmed cases, mostly out in China. Total deaths right now, 1,875 total deaths. But it looks good that the recovery rate right now of 13,147 people. So it looks like maybe our immune system is maybe coming along, or maybe they've developed something to battle this coronavirus. But while there's uncertainty and panic in the globe, then people are going to be moving into safe assets, moving out of cash and things like that. You might want to keep up with what's going on and see how that's relating to markets, especially Bitcoin and gold. You definitely want to keep your eye on what's happening there. But before we get out of here, I want to go over a story. My wife sent me this story. Thank you, LAC Gold. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, when you have a partner as strong as LAC Gold, man, you can't go wrong. I encourage anyone out there that's in this business with a partner, y'all work together, man. Y'all build together. Y'all grow together. But my wife sent me this story today on Facebook. Walmart employees say they're preparing for job cuts as retailers roll out its great workplace program. So in a nutshell, these folks that are working at Walmart, their jobs could be rolled out or phased out. And what it says is that on February 18th, which is today, came out at 5 in the morning, Walmart last spring said it was testing a sweeping overhaul that would make its stores better run and create more opportunities for employees to do meaningful work. So no more standing at the front door saying hello to people. The Great Workplace Initiative, the retailer said, will be the key to winning the future of retail. But nearly a year in, workers say their effort, which will reach 1,100 of the company's 5,300 U.S. stores by the year end, has led to widespread confusion. Walmart, the nation's largest private employer, is telling employees that it is doing away with certain positions, including hourly supervisors and assistant store managers, and replacing them with smaller sets of roles that carry more responsibilities, often for the same pay, according to interviews with the current and former store employees and internal documents obtained by the Washington Post. So I just wanted to put the story on your radar. I'm going to put it in the comment section, but I brought this out, and my wife brought this out. She noticed the story because those people that are going to be affected by the cutbacks in Walmart are going to be looking for something. And you're going to need something to sustain your livelihood. And all I'm here to say is that we have something for you with Karatbars International. If you want to become part of a growing affiliate system of people who are referring business to Karatbars International, people that want to own gold bullion, who understand how that asset class works, people that are future thinking and see what's going on with blockchain technology and want to position themselves with a company that's taking advantage of this new infrastructure. All right. Don't let Walmart write your story for you, folks, is what I'm saying. Is take that responsibility on yourself to make that change for yourself. All you need to do is make a decision to at least start a free account with Karatbars International, right? And then consider saving your wealth in 24 karat gold bullion. And that's what we teach people. We don't sell anything. The gold that I own, I'm not going to turn around and sell to you. That gold is for me and for my children and for my legacies. All right. And this is what we want to teach to our community. We know information that we don't want to keep secret. We want everyone to benefit from this information that we have. All right. So if you are here viewing this channel right now, then you are already privy to this information. You know what I'm talking about. And if you're listening right now, put something in the comment section right now saying bless up, or put a thumbs up on that like button right there and subscribe, because we need to look out for each other. When things get bad, we're not going to be able to depend on the government or the police department or the fire department. We're going to need to band together as a community and take care of ourselves. And that includes keeping our currency in our community. And what better currency is there than gold bullion? You heard what Alan Greenspan said and JP Morgan and Chase. All right. Everything else is just credit. Gold is real money. Everything else is just credit, including paper. Paper is a debt note. Y'all know what it is. So look, if you found any of this information valuable, I would love for you to join our network right now. All right, Karatbars.com. You can use sponsor ID Lucky Rico, or you can use sponsor ID LAC Gold. Simply go to my goldbackers.com website or goldbackers.info website. Either way, you can register your Karatbars account right now with me. I told you I was going to ask you to sign up with me at the end of this video, but I'm going to be doing this type of work for you. When you join in this network under me, I'm going to be your sponsor, and I'm going to make sure you get the information that you need to be successful. Now, look, I'm not greedy. All right, I don't need everybody to sign up with me. There's people in my network that I would like for people to go and use them as sponsors. There's other sponsors out there in the Karatbars community that are, that's using these videos and information to further their business. I want you to talk back to the person who referred you to this information. All right, because there's morals in this thing. All right, we got morality, All right, so it's enough people, it's enough money out here, it's enough gold out here for everybody. All right, you just got to be patient. You got to do the work. You can't expect to get rich quick and not put anything into something and get something out of it. You can't have unrealistic expectations. All right, I hope you already understand that, because when you join our wealth building system, then we're going to show you the proper way of leveraging assets and your networks. All right, it's group economics. I'm your sponsor, Lucky Rico. And don't forget, this Saturday in Richmond, Virginia, if you can make it this Saturday, all right, we're going to be at 6421 Osborne Turnpike, all right, and that's in Henrico, Virginia, right outside of downtown Richmond. And we're going to be holding our wealth seminar, where we're going to be training people on our system. We're going to be talking to new and existing Karatbars affiliates, and we're going to start building our community right here on the ground. You can't change the world unless you can't change your own community. So we're starting right here on the ground here in Richmond, Virginia. I'm calling all Karatbars leaders in the area. Let's get to this meeting. Bring your people in. I'm scratching the $5. I don't want to make no money on nobody. Everybody free. All right, don't worry about going to an Eventbrite and buying a ticket. Y'all just show up. All right, if we run out of chairs, there's going to be standing room. We're going to let the ladies and the kids sit, and the men going to stand up, and we're going to get this information. All right, thank you so much, and we'll talk again tomorrow, y'all. Peace.